Hey guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got something special for you. Today we're going to install the caliber glide system in the 23 Weberlane 7x16. So we're going to use different parts for different things. Here, let me take you along and show you what I bought. So we got two super clamps. We got the low pro glides. They come in 16 pieces. They're 6 inches. I also got the edge glides. Got an extra box for extensions. We're gonna do the track grabber just simply because I was thinking that the mat might be just overkill. And for the super clamp, we got the super track clip. So we're gonna go ahead and install them in the trailer. First, we're gonna lay it out a bit just to get an idea of what's going on, and then we're gonna measure so that we have going right up the middle exactly. And I think because of the edge glides, we're gonna have to remove this flap. It's been a debate between my wife and I about keeping the flap just simply because it's there, and maybe adding some of the low pro glides along the bottom, but I think we're just gonna go right ahead and use the edge glides. So take off that flap and make everything nice and neat, because the carbides will really destroy that wood over time. I don't know if we're going to get to the super clamps today. I might do another short video on that just simply because I've got to drill through the trailer. The only thing this trailer didn't have was the running guides that we could be able to adjust the super clamp to. So we might do the super clamp another day just simply because I got to drill through. I want to make a nice, maybe, I don't know, 1/8 plate, steel plate by about 12 inches long so that we can properly screw down those there. So let's get started and lay this out temporarily just to get an idea what we want to do, and then we're going to start installing. Stick around. All right guys, so we are going to take off this lip and install the edge glides, and that's going to be pretty much the basic layout. I got to do some measuring obviously to get right in the middle of the trailer. I believe it's going to be like 40.5 inches. And the other glides are going to push right hard against the wall on each side. But that's pretty much our basic layout. I'm going to take you down the side and show you inside, just so you can get an idea. The sleds are going to sit staggered in here, so one closer up to the front, and then one is going to just sit right here, and then we'll flare them out as we get ready to travel. So let's get to measuring and let's get to installing. All right guys, so we're going to measure out the trailer, the width, because we want to put those low pro glides right down the middle. So I've got 81, so we're going to go 40.5, having the tracks sit on each side of 40.5 right the way down, and then these we're going to tuck them close up to the wall. We're going all the way down at 40.5, and we're going to lay the sides down on each side of our mark. All the way to the end of the trailer. Alright guys, so we're starting to really come along here. A lot of screwing. We had to do some specialty cuts right here, as you can see, and then again for the tie downs. But it's one heck of a job. I gotta tell you, it is back-breaking to do this job, but as you can see, everything's coming out just nice. So what I did over there is I came an inch off the wall on both sides just to make sure, and I pretty much did the exact same thing here. So yeah, there's a lot of measuring to do everywhere all out here. I didn't get into all that on the video just simply because I think everybody's trailer is different. But what I did here is I did 1 inch off the side, 3.5 inches off the bottom, 3.5 again all the way along, and then 2 inches off the other rail here. So what's going to happen, I believe, with this setup, what I've got going on here is I'm going to have one ski going up here and another ski going up this side, because, you know, 42, 43 inches across. And what's going to happen is the opposite on the other side. And we're going to bring one right down to the end. I'll bring it over there. So we're going to bring one right down to the end here, and the other one is going to stop pretty much here at the door. So maybe we'll have a ski sticking out a bit, we'll see. But don't forget to do a 3/8 inch wide gap on your runners, just to make sure that you have room for expansion. As you can see, I've done it over there. One complaint, if you will, that I do have with the caliber is that they didn't give me enough of the red little plugs that go in first. So I'm finding that I have to do some of the glides without the red plugs. So that's a bit of a drag. But anyway, as you can see, we're nearing completion, and I will show you the finished project momentarily. Well guys, that's going to pretty much do it for the Weberlane caliber install. So just to give you a little rundown, we've got 16 of the grips, 32 of the low pro glides going in, and 1 million screws. But we did manage to get all the cutouts done all the way along, so it's a complete job, and it was pretty hairy, to be quite honest with you. It took me quite a while. Back is broken, but really happy to have the project done. Happy to have the caliber install. So thanks a lot for joining me today. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you feel like you had some information, please feel free to subscribe, like, and share my videos. God bless, and we'll see you on the next one.